Now we've got Jessica from Direct Action. Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
All right, and again, this is just, we're hearing everyone out, and so now we're moving on to the next proposal, Direct Action, Jessica. Do we have her? Jessica from Direct Action? Okay, Anthony? Anthony, did we lose him in the fray? Okay, Mario? All right, great, for media, okay. Oh, but it's an individual, even though he works.
Hello. You guys might know that we are doing a couple of things in staying legit with the city in terms of food inspection. Can you hear me better now? Okay. You might know that we're doing a couple of things to stay legit with the city in terms of food inspection and sanitation. Well, they're actually trying to add parks and recs to that. They issued us a bullshit letter. A letter stating a couple of things, and I'll read it to you really briefly. I can hand it out to you or pass it out. But it roughly states, protect the city hall trees, protect the environment. Please respect the trees on the city grounds. You are a guest in their home. This is their community. Please help us care for the trees. Avoid any tying, taping, stapling, nailing anything to the trees. Avoid piling anything around or near the trunk or base of the tree. Avoid dumping anything but fresh water on the grounds. Carving or drawing on the trees. Pulling or breaking any of the tree branches. Placing tents in landscape areas directly under tree canopies. Also in this meeting that we have all videotaped, they mentioned that we shouldn't be directly under the canopy, suggesting that we should leave it for days at a time. Meaning that we should try to occupy somewhere else. To that I say, fuck you. So, sorry for the language, but seriously though, we're about occupying. So, the whole thing about, we should totally hug a tree. But one of the good things about this whole incident that took place was that from the time that the Parks and Recs got here, it took me 20 minutes to talk to every group that had something hanging from a tree, and I offered them an alternative that if we could get some bamboo or some freaking hemp cord or something to hang it from the tree, alternatively, would they do it? Everybody inside of 20 minutes said yes. So that's awesome. So initially, I still need to get a consensus here if we're going to bankroll the whole transition from getting shit out of the trees to using bamboo sticks and hemp wool or hemp line or whatever. So, because the bottom line, people want shade, not necessarily to screw with the tree. Thanks, bro. So, I guess this proposal is that we, the 99, switch from tree implements and go to a greener, stress-free solution. This will happen by buying bamboo and hemp line to replace the tree implements. Mind you, I believe this is crap because I think the trees are fine anyway. But I know we're trying to get along with the city officials, and as long as we're going to play that game, I don't think this is a big deal because if they start to push the issue, I'll totally be willing to say, you know what, I have our people look at it and we'll get back to you. But for right now, it seems like while we're going to walk this walk and be reasonable people and responsible to our environment, make sure we take care of things.
Well, I got to do it.
Okay, so this is just a proposal to see if I can get consensus so I'll come back later to get a number in terms of how much it'll cost. I think it'd be very, very cheap to get like a bunch of bamboo or to see if we could get on social media and get someone to donate it to us to get these implements. But for right now, I'm essentially looking for a group consensus to support this issue.
Woo! Okay, we have 2 questions on stack already. So, Ed, a friendly amendment from Ed.
Thank you. How about, since they're the ones making the mandate, so to speak, how about we get them to actually fork up the money that would cost to actually make it happen?
There you go. They're not involved in the sit-in.